In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take a Koa application that's just responding with static responses to accept 3 different types of input from the query parameters, from the path segments, and also from the request body itself. I've started with a simple application that has just a static response of hello, and I'm going to show you how you can parse path segments and use that as inputs into your middleware. So Koa supports adding variables inside of your paths like this. And when you do that, the path will be parsed by Koa, and that variable name, username, will be provided to your context in a special parameter. So we can use that special parameter like this. So it's provided in context, params, and then the variable name, in our case, username. And so what we're going to do here is we've changed it so now you say hello some user and you'll respond with hello some user. So let's test it out. Alright, we're listening on port 3000. And we'll just make a simple curl request to try this out. So curl http so there you go. It says hello Matt. And if you change it, you could have it say hello James. So that's the simplest type of input parameter you can use in Koa. Now let me show you how you can have Koa take query parameters as well. So we don't need to change our path here, but Koa will automatically parse query parameters for you and provide them in a different variable inside of the context. And let me show you how you use them. So they show up in a variable like this, query, and then the parameters are automatically parsed. So let's do a language. Say if the language is Spanish, and then we'll respond with hola. And we'll leave the path parameter in place as well. Alright, let's restart our server. We'll make the same request again, and it responds with hello James. But if we add a query parameter, lang Spanish, it now says hola. That's how you use query parameters in Koa. There's one final thing I'd like to show you, which is how you use request bodies. And when you're building a real REST server, this is probably the most common type of input you'll accept. And Koa likes to keep things as small as possible by default, so support for parsing JSON request bodies is provided by a different package. Let me go ahead and install that now. It's called Koa Body Parser. Now up here we'll import it so that we can take advantage of it. Body Parser. And for requests that have a body, it's typically a post. So we'll add a new type of request middleware. First thing we want to do is we want to tell Koa to start parsing the bodies. So we will create a new body parser middleware. What that's going to do is say any middleware that's registered after that use body parser line will have the JSON bodies parsed automatically. So let's add a new post for hello and use a JSON body. Here we can do router post hello. And respond with hello from a body. And the body will show up inside of the request object. So request body, and let's say that we're going to pass in a name. Okay, so now let's restart our server. And let's try this out. So the curl command to post a JSON body is a little bit more complicated than the regular get, but it's not too bad. We'll do curl D. We'll provide some JSON data here. We said we wanted a name, and let's do Matt again. And then let's tell curl to use a header to describe the content type. So content type is application JSON, and then we will provide the URL. Now when you provide a data segment like I did with the JSON blob, it'll automatically post, so you'll know it's going to go here. And sure enough, it posted to the new middleware. Using those 3 types of inputs from requests, you can make your Koa server do significantly more interesting things than just static responses.